In this video, I will show you how to accept donations using Hostinger Website Builder. I'm now inside my Hostinger Website Builder, and to accept donations using this builder, first you need to enable your store on this website. I already have these options. After that, you need to set up your payment method in this store. To do that, just go to Store Manager. Then from this left side menu, click on Store Settings and click on Payments. You need to enable at least one payment method. For this video, I will go with manual payment. Select your payment method name, for example, manual payment. Click on Save. Now that you have at least one payment method in your store, go to Products and hit Add Product. Select Donation. Here you can upload an product image. Fill in your product title, for example, donation. You can also add a description. Under pricing, select, for example, $1. And if you want to set different donation amounts, for example, for $5, $10, then $20, click on under options, click on Add option. Fill in something like donation amount. You can select here $4, then add new $10, $20, and $100, for example. Then click on Save. Now hit Save. You need to go to your website editor to publish or to update your website. Click on Go to Editor. Now click on Update your website. Close this window. To add a donation section to this page, just go to Add Section. From this left side menu, click on Online Store. Select a single product. Now we need to link our product to this section. Click on Edit Section. And from the product list, select your donation products. As you can see, if you don't find your donation product in this list, just add a photo to your product in this Store Manager. Now you can edit the layout of this product, also the image placement, the image ratio, and also the image corner radius. Let's see what we can edit the text color, also the arrows. You can go with a background photo. Let's go with this gray color. And for the button, you can change the shape. Let's not go this deep. Here you can edit the field color, the text, the border of just the button. And here you can edit the quantity. After that, click on Update Website again. And let's see my website live. This is my website homepage, and this is the donation section. As you can see, it's called donation. The amount is $1, and here people can go with extras. Add to bag, click on checkout. And this is how to accept donations using Hostinger Website Builder.